गाइस वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा पढ़ाई में। रोज हम आ चुके हैं 7th स्टैंडर्ड की साइंस के साथ और आज के हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम है हीट। तो चलिए पढ़ाई करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट, मैक्सिमम हीट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द ब्लैक कलर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट। सेकंड, रेडिएशन ऑफ हीट डज नॉट रिक्वायर अ मीडियम। थर्ड, conduction of heat takes place through a solid substance. Fourth, the shining surface in a thermos flask decreasing the out through heat by reflection. Fifth, cooking utensils are made from metals due to the property of conductor. Fifth, the earth receives heat from the sun by radiation. Second, which of the following substances are absorbed by heat? Steel spoon, wooden boat, glass vessels, iron grate glass, wooden spoon, plastic plate, soil, water, wax. Answer: steel spoon, iron grate, tawa. Water and wax will absorb heat. Third, answer the following questions in 1 to 3 sentences. First, how does fever get rolled? By putting a cold compressed on a forehead of a patient. First, fever means having a body temperature higher than the normal temperature range. When we put cold compressed on the forehead of a patient, the heat from body transfers to the cold compress. The water evaporates from the cold compress and the body from outside within the threatening of cause of the fever. Why are the houses of Rajasthan painted white? Answer: Rajasthan is a state that gets extremely hot during the summers as the sun rays are quite intense when they hit the ground. White paints keep the house cool from inside because they absorb least heat. Therefore, the cooling effect in the house of Rajasthan are painted white. Third, why are the modes of heat transfer? Answer: conduction, conversion and radiation are the modes of heat transfer. Fourth, why is the cutter of Antarctica black? Answer: Antarctica is the coldest, windiest and the driest continent. The black outer coat of the penguins absorb heat from the sun, so helping them to warm up. Fourth, answer the following questions in brief. First, explain which mode of heat transfer causes sea breeze and land breeze. Answer: a sea breeze is any wind that blows from sea towards the land during the day. Water heats up too much more slowly than the land, so the air above the land will get warmer compared to the air over the sea. B. The warm air over the land will rise throughout the day cause the low pressure at the surface over the water. High surface pressure will form cause of the colder air. C. Due to the combustion, the air will sink over the ocean. The wind will blow from the higher temperature over the water to the lower temperature of the land of the sea breeze. At night, role reverses. Air over the ocean now it's warmer than the air over the land. The land loses heat quickly after the sun goes down and air above it cools down. Thus, through the process converting heat again, the wind will blow from the land to the sea, creating the land breeze. Fifth, give reason. An ordinary glass broke crack when boiling water is poured into it, but Brussels glass bottle does not break. So the part of the glass that the boiling water touches first expands due to the heat, but the heat does not conduct through the glass quickly, so there is a pressure between the expansion of the glass and unexpected outside of the pressure between the the glass The pressure is sometimes too much, the glass cracks. The bronzoil glass bottle glasses are made mechanically stronger with heavier wall thickness so that they can stand with against water pressure and does not expand. Third, the telephone wire which sag in summer become straight in winter. Answer: telephone wires are made up of conductor material, copper, aluminium, etc. It expands when heated. B. When the temperature during the summer increases, the length of the power line between the two towers increases. Thus, the wire sags because of the increased in slack. In winters, the reverse happens. The lines contract and tightly up. Third, dewdrops form on grass of winter. The air contains moisture in winter. The temperature is less. The air is cooled at the temperature that cannot hold all the moisture in it. If an object gets cold enough, the air contains enough moisture, condensate exceeds evaporation. The exceeds moisture condition in the form of dewdrops on the cool surface like grass. Fourth, in winters, an iron pillar feels colder than the wooden pole. The iron is a good conductor of heat, whereas wood is a bad conductor of heat. In winters, when the temperature is low, iron pillar will absorb more heat and feel colder than wood as it blocks the heat flow. Mercury and alcohol is used in thermometers. Mercury is used in thermometers because it is highly sensitive to heat. It expands quickly when temperature increases. Hence, the slightest change in the temperature is notable when it is used in thermometer. The alcohol thermometer is relatively to the mercury thermometer as had the similar functions. आज के लिए बस नहीं, आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आओगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आओगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा. तो तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.